Racers and Rods Media proudly presents Nissan of Bradenton's second annual car show. Come along for the ride, and we hope you enjoy the show.
I work through the wind, I work through the hail, I work through the storm, hammer and nail. I worked on the crop, but the rain never stopped. Rain, bringing me down. Rain, bringing me down. I worked in the north, I worked in the south, I've worked out west, through the worst and the best, trucking through fog, trucking on ice, a deadpan frown, while the rain washed down. Rain, bringing me down. Rain, bringing me down. Talking about rain, bringing me down. Oh Lord, I said I'm talking about rain, bringing me down. Oh no, talking about rain, bringing me down. Oh, talking about rain, bringing me down. Work, working for a living. I said work, never make a killing. I said work, working for a living.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the show.